So Bitcoin is absolutely pumping to the upside. A lot of altcoins are pumping based on the news. The XRP, Solana, and Cardano are going to be added to the strategic reserve. So I thought I'd do a few more videos on what's going on in the market. I'm going to do a Bitcoin update here in a second, but I do want to look at Trump token. Because I haven't made a video on Trump token in a while. So right now, Trump token, I saw this in a bull pennant before the news broke, and I think if Bitcoin did not go up, then Trump would have taken longer to get the move to the upside. But I did take a long here. I move my stop loss now right around this stop, right below that last local low at 1480. It's actually at 1490. Maybe I should move it down to 1480. But if you lose 15 bucks, you're likely to lose both anyways. Right now, you've already hit the measured move, which is $14.50. So like I said, without the news, I don't think you have seen 1550. The next resistance that I see for Trump token, if you do continue up and if Bitcoin continues up, which Bitcoin to me right now looks like you do want to go to 95,000 at least minimum today, which that's kind of crazy. So we just think extreme fear, just be careful. We might be going up a little bit too fast despite everything, and I'm not still convinced the low's in, but maybe I'm being a little bit too bearish. We'll see. Either way, if we keep going up this fast, we're going to be in extreme greed in a day or two. I can almost guarantee you that. So if Bitcoin's at 95,000, 96,000 by the end of the day, I bet we're in greed again, at least low greed by the end of tonight. We'll see. But right now, looking at this, your next resistance if Bitcoin continues up is at about $18, $18.30 on Trump token. You do now have support at $14.30, which you can see you got rejected off at least twice most recently. So $14.30, I would say $14.35, $14.30 we'll say is support, and then your resistance is $18.30. I again move my stop loss right here because you are overbought. So if Bitcoin does go sideways or something, I could see this being a move back down to test support at $14.30. That's actually pretty likely if Bitcoin doesn't go to 95K today. If you do go 95K, it's likely you do continue up to $18 on Trump token. But I've been trading the 50-minute time frame. You're above the 200-day smooth moving average. You're above the 21, and you're above the 200 moving average. So I longed this, and so far it's been good. I would like to see this continue to $18. I would love that. My actually take profit for a banger trade would be $18.30. So if we do get the move to the upside, I would be taking profits around that resistance at $18. I don't remember if my take profit's $18.30 or $18. It's one of the two. But yeah, that's kind of my ideal trade. Otherwise, my stop loss is $14.90. So it's most likely to get stopped out, but we'll see what happens. If we go up to the 1 hour time frame, that is overbought now. The 4 hour time frame is overbought. If we jump to the 8 hour, that's overbought. The 12 hour is overbought. Daily, 2-day, and 3-day all have gas, but you need the smaller time frames to reset, such as like the 4 hour time frame, maybe even the 6 and 8 hour time frame, and the 12 hour time frame. When those reset, you can expect the daily to be continuing to the upside. But right now, that's what I'd be watching for. If you lose 1480, I would look for a retest of 1435. 1480 was that last local low on that wick right here. If you lose that, I would expect a retest of 1430, and if you don't hold that, which I would assume you would hold unless Bitcoin goes back down into the 80K range, you would be looking at 1265 next. So your next resistance is 1827, your next support at the downside is 1435, and then your support below that 1265. If you break 1827, I'd be looking for basically $25 on Trump token. We can go to the smaller time frames. I'm hoping this doesn't make a round on top. Again, that to me, it's actually the most likely scenario. So we'll see what happens. To me, it's likely actually to get a correction here to the downside. I think we're going up too fast for Bitcoin, but we'll see what happens. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. If you guys want to join the Telegram group, the link to join us is in the description below, as is the trading group. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, and have a great rest of your Sunday. Adios.